Foundation Day as head of department. So as you can see, it's of course a moment of joy because this is a department I've served for 26 years now. But it's also, I'm just slightly nervous, and I accept that because I'm really overwhelmed with the response of people here who have all turned up to celebrate this Foundation Day. I have faculty from CFI, and I'm very privileged to have faculty from two different institutes here with us, from ERA, Dr. Vinita Khare, and the team, and Dr. Jyotsna Agarwal from RM Alliance. And of course, all our students, our JRs, our SRs, and our MBBS students who are with us in Big Fours, and our staff here today. Thank you all for being here, and a very, very warm welcome to this program, the 39th Foundation Day.
मानवता की एक बड़ी चुनौती। आदरणीय मंचासीन महानुभावों एवं हमारे विद्यार्थीगण, आप सबका हम बारंबार नमस्कार करते हैं। आज हम सभी एंटी माइक्रोबियल प्रतिरोध के ऊपर एक नाट्य प्रस्तुत करने के लिए एकत्रित हुए हैं। Now I want you to sit back and relax and think about the word that a single discovery did. It turned suffering into healing. With a mold in a petri dish, small in size yet vast in meaning, but picture that same discovery fading in its strength and its certainty gradually weakening. News reporters speak of antibiotics failing. Headlines raise concern with voices ailing. So today, we peel back the layers. We look to the past and the choices we make at home. The choices that decide whether medicines protect or lose their effect. When you witness this skit, laugh and enjoy. But also take a moment to think about the crisis that we are facing. The class is about to begin. So hold back and listen carefully, because the future of medicine is not in somebody else's, but in our very own hands.
Good afternoon, one and all. Dignitaries of DICE, senior teachers, head department, deans, residents, faculty, students. I am very much privileged to be a part of your Foundation Day celebration. Department of Microbiology is not a micro, it's a mega department. We have seen it, we have done it, I've seen it on the COVID era and after that. They are doing a wonderful job. They have kept with the pace with the modernization of microbiology, for which I congratulate the department, their staff, faculty, and residents for that. Today, I'm very thankful that the orator of today, Dr. Walia, who is going to talk about a very, very important aspect. Because antibiotic resistance is a worldwide and global problem. And Department of Medicine is doing very good for that, and they are helping us to treat the patient, a right patient, right dose, right duration for the management of a patient.
Good afternoon. At the outset, I must first congratulate the person who spearheaded the skit and the performers for that beautiful rendition. It is a glimpse of the innovations that are required in actually carrying forward antimicrobial stewardship. I won't take much of your time. My heartiest congratulations to the head of department who's actually steering a ship which she was very, very apprehensive of taking over. I have gone through with her all those sessions of long discussions how she's going to fit in the large shoes that she got. But let me assure you, she's doing a great job. I also want to congratulate this department for another thing which is very, very important to us clinicians. Dr. Kamini Walia, who's a senior scientist in the Division of Epidemiology and Communicable Diseases, the ICMR New Delhi, and the orator for today, Dr. Abhijit Kaur, the Pro Vice Chancellor, Dr. Virendradam, Dean Academics, Dr. K.K. Singh, Dean Paramedical Sciences, Dr. Vimla Venkatesh, the head of the department, and Dr. Sheetal Verma, the organizing secretary. All the other teachers who have come, Dr. Mastan Singh, I am sorry to hear about Dr. S.K. Agarwal. All the faculty members from KGMU, all the faculty members from the Department of Microbiology. Dr. Jyotsna, she's left, but she came all the way from RML IMS. All the students, residents, and staff of the department. सबसे पहले तो 39 फाउंडेशन डे का आप लोग सबको बहुत बहुत congratulations. 39 years have been very glorious. I think it's one of the most glorious and productive departments of KGMU. यहाँ पे डॉक्टर मस्तान सिंह बैठे हुए हैं and a lot of memories come back to me as a student here of the teachers, including him, we were taught by of the Department of Microbiology.
Thank you, Dr. Sheetal. Good afternoon, everyone. Distinguished guests, faculty members, staff, and members of the press, dear students. It is an honor to introduce our esteemed speaker, Dr. Kamini Walia.
Good afternoon, everyone. Professor Sonia Nityanan, Padam Shri, Professor Abhijit Kaur, Professor Virendradam, Dr. Vimla Venkatesh, other friends and colleagues in the audience. I am really grateful for being invited to this particular occasion, which is the 39th Foundation Day of the department, to be part of the celebrations as well as to deliver the oration. With this, we come to the end of our program. I would like to thank the faculty members. I would also first like to thank the Honorable Vice Chancellor, though she had to go for some other commitments. The Pro Vice Chancellor Madam, the Dean Academics, for sparing the valuable time and gracing the occasion today. I would like to thank Professor Mastan Singh sir, Professor Sanjay Singh sir, for taking out time to grace without you. This couldn't have happened, sir. Thank you so much, sir. And even I would like to thank your family members. I would like to thank the faculty from other departments, Dr. Dikshit sir, Dr. K.K. Singh sir, Dr. Dean Matthew sir, the pillar of AMSP college, and all the other faculties